Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to change the power settings of when your screen goes to sleep or when your computer goes into sleep mode in Windows 10. So you've always had those problems of you walk away from your computer and your screen goes black and you have to wiggle the mouse, or you're on a laptop and your computer just goes into sleep mode and you're still using it, but you've just stepped away to get that nice sandwich that you want. Well, now we can change the time that it takes for them to do all this. What we do is we go to the search bar and we type in power, and it says power and sleep settings. Click on that, and in here we have the screen and then sleep. So I always set mine to never for sleep because I have a desktop, but if you have a laptop and you want to conserve battery, you may want to go through these options, and they range anywhere from a minute up to 5 hours. So we can put it in and we can go 1 hour for sleep, and then the screen is the one when it turns off. Now it doesn't turn off your computer, it just turns off the screen to save power. Mine is set up for 15 minutes, normally around the time that you want, because if you're going to nip away and get a coffee, it's not going to take 15 minutes to do that, but you can change it to a higher one for like an hour or something like that if you find that it's turning off before you get back. That's how you change your screen and sleep settings in Windows 10.